Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are unboxing and later on we'll be testing or trying out this humidifier. This is an ultrasonic cool mist humidifier made by a company called TaoTronics. So I heard some good feedback on this company. They make some different products including lamps and other things like headphones and stuff like that. So they have some good reputation to a degree, being a good quality but also a good price. So we decided, or my wife decided, to buy this humidifier from them. This was $28, I think, before tax. So the box is very plain, there is nothing here. So we'll just go ahead and open it. And I know my phone has the autofocus on, and I also set it to multi-point autofocus, not only in the center, and still sometimes the movement is too fast for it to focus and refocus all the time. So I apologize for that. Okay, so here is the units. And there is some stuff in there and nothing else in the box, just these two things. Leave the box in the background there even though you don't see it. Okay. Ooh. Stuff are falling apart. So this is the top. And I don't think you can control the amount of steam coming out from here. So I didn't even notice where was it pointing. Was it left or right? Here we go. Now you can turn it. Okay, I guess any direction is fine. And this is the fill line. You can see it, how much it's full. I would say you can fill it up from here. You can see how big it is. And this is the mechanism that will be sitting on there and make steam. It says here, do not add essential oil into the water. Oh, here. Do not add essential oil into the water tank. The warranty does not cover defects or malfunction caused by misuse. Do not use the humidifier on carpeted floors or prevent blocking the air inlet from the bottom. Okay. Here is the base, and I suspect has LED lights or something here. There is a filter down here. There is a filter down here, and I guess they included an extra one there in the bag. So that's the bottom, and let me lower this a bit. There we go. And this is the base. Okay, so once you fill this with water, you will set it, I think, like so. It's very tall though. Okay, well, that's the unit. Let's see what's in the packet here. We already know there is a replacement filter. There is a replacement filter and also like a cleaning brush. And this thing, 18 months warranty extension. They all call us VIP support. I don't know if there is just regular support. It's all VIP. Otherwise, I'm just a regular old Joe. Yeah, it looks like there is some LEDs here to indicate water level and stuff. Alright, so I'll add water to it and we'll use it here quickly just to see how it looks like. Maybe I'll do it when it's dark so you can see the LEDs very nicely. Thank you so much, and just wait for... don't wait, I will add the video to it myself, so you will just see one all continuous video. Thank you so much. I will come back later. Bye. Okay friends, we are back. I assembled this unit and I added water to it, and I'm going to turn off the light so you can see the LED. Maybe I should turn it on first. Just wanted to point out, when it runs out of water, this turns all red. So to simulate that, if you remove the top, it will do that. That's red, but maybe the camera doesn't show that, but it's blinking red. So I'm gonna put it back. Let me press the button once. And you can see the LEDs underneath, and it is white. So there is still some steam coming out. So let's do 1, 2. So that's supposed to be the highest level. So I don't know if you can, let me move the camera closer so you can see the cool steam. Well, you can't see it. It's not showing in the camera, but I can see it here. I'm going to turn off the lights so you can see the full LED effect. Let me pause the video. Okay, so I turned off all the lights except one that is maybe 20 feet away. So you can see the bottom here has LED. In the back, no LEDs, just on the sides and the front. The back doesn't have LEDs. And I don't know if you can tell now. The steam is there, you can see it. Maybe a little bit. Yeah, there it is. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you, just how it looks like. And let's see, lower this down, lift this up. So that's the 3 levels. On, 1, 2. So that 3rd level, if you press and hold, you get that, and turns it on. So they also say this is a night light, so they are referring to that LED in the bottom as a night light. So it looks cool. For what was it, $27 I think. It's just kind of bulky though. The reason it's bulky, it's also the other benefit of it is having a big tank, so you don't have to refill it frequently. I think it's like 4 liters of water tank. So otherwise, if it's 1 liter, then you'll have to refill it frequently. Anyway, that's all for tonight. I just wanted to show you how it is and what it does. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below and I will respond back to you. Please subscribe to the channel, give it a thumbs up, share the video, click on the bell button so you will be notified when the new videos are uploaded. And thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.